What's up everyone, day 20 of opening a Pokemon pack. Today we have a Mega Evolution Phantasmal Flames Pokemon pack. So hopefully we can post something good. This pack feels really heavy, so hopefully we can post something good. Here we go. 10 cards are included in this one. Let's hope to post something good here. Alright, we got it open. Oh, one more time. Alright. Give me a second here. Alright. One to the front. Let's do the card trick. Alright. First up, we have a Psychic Energy. Then, code card. First card will be a Brumlin. Then we have a Brow. Or Absol, I mean. Pretty cool. Then we'll have a Oddish next. And then we have a Seal. And then we have a Seviper, I think it's called. Pretty cool. And then we have a Cressella. Pretty cool. Then we have a trainer. It's called Dawn. Then we have a Ladtoad. And then a Bremblugus. Pretty cool. And then we have a Hollow Criniset or Geneset. Pretty cool. That'll do it for that pack, guys. Catch you guys on day 21 of opening a Pokemon pack.